Hi everyone, today let's bring images to life using Domo AI's image to video feature. Let's get started. First, go to Domo AI app. No downloads needed and no complicated setup. It's all browser based and super easy to use. Then you can create or log in your account. On your dashboard, look to the image to video option. Then click on it and this is where the magic happens. Upload your image you want to animate. It can be a portrait, a landscape, or even a digital art or any static image you'd like to see moving. Now select your animation style. Choose your dreamy zoom, dynamic pans, character animations, or more. You can tweak the settings like the video length, resolution, and effect intensity if you want more control over the final look. And once you're happy with the setup, hit generate. Wait for a few seconds while Domo AI works its magic. Then download your animated video. And take note that this feature is only applicable to Domo AI's Pro version. You need to upgrade it first. And you're done. You'll just turn your static image into a cinematic video using the Domo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.